Kinetics. Initialize, tracking the rate. Watch the curve. Let's go, go, go. Let's go. Start with the substrate, increase the load. Watch the velocity out on the road. Initial rate rising, yeah, the slope is steep. Promises the enzyme is ready to keep. Concentration climbing, more fuel in the tank. Mapping every data point straight to the bank. It's a linear start, but the pace just a bend. As we approach where the acceleration ends. Watch the velocity, see the recline. Measuring the product 1 second at a time. The system is filling, the site's getting tight. We're reaching the limit, it's coming inside. Push for the Vmax, hit the top speed. When every active site is all that we need. Find the Km, that's the halfway line. The concentration with the rates align. Molecular kinetics, moving so free. The map of the motion, the chemistry. Saturation point, yeah, we hit the ceiling. That's the Vmax. Got the enzymes reeling, no matter the substrate, the rate won't grow. The factory's capped, that's all she wrote, bro. Now focus on K and the Michaelis Constant. The name you need to know in an instant is the substrate amount for a high-speed drip. Low Km, that's a high affinity grid. Now introduce the friction inhibitor alert. Competitive mimic, trying to make the rate hurt. It fights for the site, so the Km goes high. Needs more substrate just to get by. But flooded with plenty Vmax will stay true. Then a non-confiner hits the site that is new. The grip is the